Hello to everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Matteo Pisati and I am finishing my PhD in Economics and Finance. Right now, I am developing a series of strategies which are explicitly suited for the economic crisis that we are observing right now. In this precise moment, markets are falling by more than 4%, and a severe recession triggered by the coronavirus outbreak is on the edge of occurring. In these extremely tough times, it's important to be ready, to defend your saving, and to try to profit from the opportunities which are arising. With this video, I will provide you 4 extremely useful tips which can make the difference between losing money and profit in nowadays markets. If you are keen on the topics I am introducing here right now, please send me an email at pisatimatteo@gmail.com. I will be happy to answer all your questions as soon as I can, and I will organize webinars and online courses where the topics introduced here will be covered in great detail. I will even explain how I implement the strategy for myself and for my clients in great detail. So, let's start. The first tip of the day is about when to re-enter the market. Currently, markets are experiencing severe losses, and I wouldn't recommend to enter now in the market. My suggestion is to daily look at this website, worldmeters.info/coronavirus. It provides you with daily updates about the ongoing epidemic. And it's extremely important, not only for health reasons, but even for investors. Indeed, the moment which I recommend to everybody for re-entering the market is when the epidemic will reach its peak. When we will start to observe a reduction in new cases, which is constant for few weeks, that will be the moment to re-enter the market. The second tip of the day is about where to invest right now. I recommend looking at the pharmaceutical sector industry, mostly the American one. Indeed, nowadays there is a huge race to find a vaccine for the coronavirus, but we don't know who will be the winner. So I recommend to buy a well-diversified index as, for example, the S&P Pharmaceutical Select Industry, and to wait to see who will be the winner. Now, as we see in this very well organized website, which is investing.com, we can see how the pharmaceutical index is already recovering from its worst moment. And this is because the moment in which the vaccine will be found is likely getting closer and closer. The third tip of the day is another investment opportunity. I am talking about funeral homes, which are experiencing a positive uptrend right now because of coronavirus outbreak. Unfortunately enough, these are one of the few investments which, with gold, are providing a real diversification benefit for investors right now. As we see, stocks like Service Corporation International are overperforming the market.